Kids, there are several bird species that have evolved in such a way that prevents them from flying. But do you know why? These birds are flightless for the following reasons: heavy bodies, certain environment conditions, and reduced wings. Come, let's have a look at these birds. The first bird is ostrich. Ostrich.
Kiwi. Kiwi. Penguin. Penguin.
The third bird is kakapo. Kakapo. Cassowary. Cassowary.
Emu. Emu.
Kids, these are only few of the examples of flightless birds. We hope you have learned something new. Don't forget to subscribe and like to our channel.